Everybody, it's Neil. I like Lego-ish kind of toys, you know, like little snap together ones here. And this one here is Flower is for You. And it's called, and it's like got a Mickey Mouse-ish kind of hand holding on to a flower bouquet. So that's what it's going to be. And these are the pieces here. Let's just take a look. It's, I don't know if it's even Lego compatible or not, or just something like it. Probably not the same thing. But it really doesn't matter because usually, you know, I'm going to put this one together and put it on display because it's so cute. Let's see, it's got the pieces and the little dots, just like everything else to put together. So it's going to be a bit of a process to put these together. How many pieces is it? It says it's for ages 6+. I think I qualify for that. It's got a little instruction guide here. I don't know if it says how many pieces. I don't know, a few hundred. But it's got the instructions there, pretty straightforward on how to do things. Yeah, it just shows you the right color blocks and how to assemble it. So if you're decent at following directions and you can do 78 steps, you'll have it put together as well. So I'll be putting this together later. So very cool, thumbs up for sure.